Today we are going to learn about the calculated parameter in Revit schedule. Let us see an example. I'm going to view schedule and quantities. Here I'm going to take wall. I'm going to take a wall schedule. So here I'm going to find area and type. Let's say I'm going to calculate the area. So when I say OK, I'm getting lots of wall type. I'm going to select a particular wall type. Okay, let's filter a type. Foundation 24-inch concrete. Let's say foundation 24-inch concrete. Foundation 24-inch concrete. So for this area, in case if you want to calculate the total cost, then you can add a parameter, or you can just add the cost of this wall. Then you can calculate with the formula. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's open a 3D view. Let's go to tile view. So this is our model. If I select any wall, I can do a section box. Okay, so this is the wall type. If I go to edit type, here I can add the cost. Let's say cost, it is 30 rupees per square feet. Okay, let's add just 30 and I'm going to say okay. Now here I'm going to calculate the total cost of this foundation wall. For that, I have to go to field again. So in the field, so here we have a calculated parameter. Okay, so before going for calculated parameter, I need to add cost. So now I'm going to add a calculated parameter called as total cost. Okay, total cost, or let's say cost. Okay, so let's keep this name as a little different. Okay, so we already have a cost per square feet. Let's say it is total cost. Fine. And I'm going to take a formula and then discipline, let it be common, and it's going to be money, right? Let's say it is currency and a formula. So we have to add area multiplied by cost formula. Let's say area multiplied by cost. So I'm going to add multiply by cost. If you say okay, I'm getting a error message. If you get an error message, then you need to work with the unit. So for that, area divided by 1, just to give area divided by 1 and say okay, then it's done. And now if I say okay, then you can see, so this is the cost column, and the total cost column. So if you want to find the total of everything, then you can go for sorting and grouping, sorting and grouping, and based on type, you can sort and calculate the total. Formatting, total cost, add total cost. Okay, and then say okay. So now you can see, so this is the total cost for this foundation 24-inch concrete wall type. So you can calculate based on area. Okay, so this is how you have to add calculated parameter in the schedule. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope now you understand how to use um, calculated parameter in the schedule. If you have a unit issue, then just divide by 1, then the issue will be resolved and you can calculate. In case if you want to change the unit of area, you can go to format unit and you can change the square feet to meter. If you want, you can change. Okay, in case if you want to round off to 0 decimal, you can do that. You can add a unit symbol also. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt in adding a calculated parameter or adding a formula in Revit schedule, you can let me know. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.